Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you about opportunity reports and its creation process of opportunity reports in Salesforce. So let's jump to the topic and discuss about how to create opportunity reports in Salesforce Lightning. So let's move to our org. This is my Salesforce Lightning org and here we are learn how to create opportunity reports in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, firstly click on the app launcher and under this app launcher we can see that there is a search box present and we are searching for the sales. So enter the sales in the search box and click on the sales option. Our sales page is open and under this sales page we can see that lots of tabs are present on the navbar, but we want to select the report tab. So click on the more drop down arrow and under this drop down list we can see that report option are present. So click on this report tab. Our report page is open and our report are related to the business users. Here we want to create the new report, so we click on the new report button. The create report dialog box is open. Select the report type and here we are going for an opportunity. This report type is really important because it helps details what other information that you see along with the main information. If we are looking for the opportunities, it would indicate if we could see opportunities with their associated accounts and that account information. Salesforce work in objects and the group of information. So if we want the opportunity group of information with the account group of information, we need to have report type. We have to include both of them. Here we are selecting the opportunity. So click on the opportunities and here is the opportunity. Click on that and on the right side there is a detail page is open and here we are selecting the start report. For starting the report, the new opportunity report page is open and here on the left side we can see that there is a filter option. Click on this option and under this filter option we can see that there is a show me field. So click on this field and click on the drop down arrow of the show me field and here we want to select the all opportunities option. So click on that option and click on the apply button and refresh this page and we can see that all opportunities related to the opportunity owner, account name, opportunity name are seen under the record page. After that there is a close date field and click on this field. The in this field which is currently showing current FQ October 1 2023 to December 31 2023. So we select this to all time and click on the apply button and refresh this and here we can see that the huge list of all 44 opportunities that are in the Salesforce are seen here. Now I am going to click on the outline and I am going to clean this up little bit and I want to remove the owner role, remove it and refresh it, and I also want to remove the age probability, and after that we also remove the next step created date and then refresh it and we can see that all the fields that we are removed are not shown here. If we want to add specific field, so we click on the fields and here we can search field and add the column. Those will bring up the same thing. If we want to add something like billing city, so search for the billing city. Where is the billing city? Here, click on that and refresh it and our billing city is added here. Now cross it and here we can see there is a group profile and we want to know each opportunity by their stage and kind of what stage equal what amount. So if we are in the prospecting stage, what is the worth budgetary to our company? So let group by it by stage. So search the stage in this and click on the stage and then refresh it. Here now we can see the stages here are listed out. So we got the prospecting, qualification, ID decision maker, closed won, closed lost. All the stages are seen here. Now we want to see what each state's subtotal to for amount. So what we do is we would find the amount column. Here is the amount column. Click on the drop down arrow of this amount column and here we can see the drop down list is open and we want to subtotal for this amount. So click on the summarized option, and under the summarized option we can see that other options are present, but here we want to summarize this. So click on the sum option and then refresh it, as we want to just summarize this. So we have the subtotal that are present under the stages. You can see the subtotal of the qualification, IDD decision maker, closed won, and the closed loss. Now save this record. For this, click on the save button and the saved report dialog box is open. Now give the report name, and here we are giving the report name as opportunity group by stage, and then give the report unique name which is automatically filled, and after that give the report description as you want, and then select the folder. And here we want to create the new folder, so click on the select folder. So now determine who will able to run the report or see the report, it based on the folder. So what we can do is we create a report and we save it in a particular folder. Who have access of this particular folder will be run this report. I want to create new folder, so I click on the new folder button that is present at the bottom of the dialog box. So click on the new folder. The create folder dialog box is open. Give the field label, and here we are giving the field label as a sales team. Enter the sales team in the folder label and then give the unique name, which is automatically filled by simply clicking on the folder unique name field and then click on the save button. And here you can see that our sales team folder is created successfully. Now select this folder and click on the select folder option. After selecting the folder, the sales team report folder is shown under the folder field, and then click on the save button. After saving the reports, our report is saved, and then click on the run button. And here you can see that our report is in the run mode. There is a add chart button if you want to add the chart. So click on the add chart here. Typically, it will only work if you have a group. So we have it grouped by each stage, and here you can see here a little bar chart. So we can also change the what kind of chart it is. If we want the donut chart, so click on this setting and click on the donut chart, and you can see the donut chart is presenting here. If we want to also change this to funnel, so it change to the funnel chart, and if we want it change to the scatter plot, click on the scatter plot and you can see the scatter plot chart as created. Now move forward and discuss about how to create opportunity reports in Salesforce Classic. So let's move to our work. When we log into the Salesforce account, we directly log in into the Salesforce Lightning version. But we want to work on the Salesforce Classic version. For this, we click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option and our Salesforce Classic version is open. Now we want to create opportunity reports in Salesforce Classic. So for this, we click on the report tab, and you can see that lots of tabs are present on the navbar, and we want to select the report tab. So click on the drop down arrow that is present on the navbar, and under this you can see that there is a report tab. Click on that tab. Our reports page is open and our report are related to the business user. Here we want to create the new report, so click on the new report button, and here we want to select the opportunity. This time this report type is really important because it helps dedicate what other information what you see along with the main information. If we are looking for the opportunities, it would indicate if we could see opportunities with their associated account and the account information. Salesforce work in the objects and the group of information. So if we want the opportunity group of information with the account group, we need to have a report type. So we include both of them, and here we are selecting the opportunities. Click on the opportunity and then select the opportunity, and our unsaved report opportunity page is open. Here you can see that there is a show field is present under the filter field, and we click on the drop down arrow of the show field, and under this we can see that there is a all opportunity option. Click on this option and we can see that our report page is changed to the all opportunities. After that, we can see that there is a date field, which is a close date, and range is currently shown as a current FQ. And here we are selecting as a all time. So search for the all time. Here is the all time. Select the all time option. Here we can see that the huge list of 44 opportunities that are in the Salesforce are shown here. Here, if we want to add the specific field, click on the fields. On the left side, there is a fields are present. And here we want to add the lead source. So click on the lead source option. And here we can see that the lead source field are added under the report page. Here we are doing the group by field. So click on the stage. Click on the drop down arrow of the stage option, and here you can see that there is a group by this field option is present. Click on this and you can see that our stage field is grouped by and shown under the report pages. Now we want each stage average to for amount. So what we do is we would find the amount column, and here is the amount column. We click on the drop down arrow of the amount column, and here we can see that there is a summarize this field option. Click on this field and the summarize dialog box is open, and under this dialog box we can see that the field of sum, average, max and min are present, and here we want to calculate the average of the amount field. So click on the average and click on the apply option. After all stages, we can see that the average amount is present and the grand total of the average amount is also present here. Now we want to save this, so click on the save button. The save dialog box is open, and here we are giving the report name as the opportunity group by stage average. After that, give the report unique name which is automatically filled, and then give the report description. If you want to give, otherwise leave it as it is, then select the report folder, and here we are selecting the report folder as a sales team which we previously created, and then click on the save button. After saving the report, our report is saved, and click on the run button. Here is the run report button. Click on that and you can see that our report is shown in the run mode. Now we want to create the chart for this report. So click on the add chart button, and here you can see that lots of chart are present. And here, typically, it will be only work if you have a group. So we have grouped by each stage. And here you can see that a little bar chart is present. If you click on OK button, this show in this mode. If you want to edit this chart, so click on the edit chart and change the chart. If you want to create the donut chart, so click on the donut chart option, and here is the preview of the donut chart, and then click on the OK button, and the donut chart is look like this. So with this, we have come to the end of the video session. We will see you in the next one.